Happy Monday, guys. Also, happy Father's Day to all the fathers. Hope you had a great Father's Day. So anyway, guys, this is the beginning of a nice productive week. We are on our first project of today. This is Mr. and Mrs. Oates. They are moving out. Well, they've already moved out. They moved to North Carolina, but they're getting the floors done for the new homeowner that's moving in this weekend. And what we're going to be doing here, guys, is a little bit over 1,400 square feet screen recoat with UV cure. And then after we get the coating down here, we have a consultation incoming for a guy that's moving in. And I just got the phone with him. He wants to get his floors done this weekend before he moves in next week. And then we have another consultation in Lawrenceville for also another move in. So anyway, guys, let me show you what we're going to be doing here today. All right, guys, so we are in the I keep forgetting this neighborhood, but it's a country club out here in Cummings, and I've done numerous projects in this subdivision. So let me show you guys what we got going today. We're going to be doing the rad coat with the UV cure after the screening. All right, so looking at these floors, guys, floors are not in bad shape, but they have taken a lot of wear of the top coating. You can see like a lot of scuff marks, and you can see a lot of areas where the finish is kind of worn off. See, like right there, guys. See right there. So that's a good indication for a screen and recoat. All right, so what we're going to be doing, guys, it's a pretty nice size project. We got this whole open living room. I'm going to have T pull up the vents. I think this room is this is wood. So this room right here, this living room, this area right here, I'm gonna have to get me some light in here. Probably plug up one of our lights. This dining room right here, okay. And also we're gonna be doing the countertops. We're gonna be also doing these quartz countertops for them as well, for the new homeowner. They actually paid for this right here. So we're going to be doing these countertops, clean, polished, seal. As you see with the countertops as well, you got a lot of little smudges, and you can just see certain areas where the coating, the sealer is just starting to take a wear. So again, we're going to do the countertops, this island, and also that strip right there. All right, guys, we're going to go ahead and get set up on this project. Also, too, going to be using my, guys, if you don't have none, this is perfect. They're stuck in my pocket. But these Meta glasses, I really like these, man. These things are amazing for what I do. So I'm going to be using my Meta Ray-Ban glasses. I really like these. So, all right, guys, stay tuned. All right, guys, we got a great screen on these floors. If you look really close, you can see how we knocked down the old finish. All right, no more scuff marks, no more scratches. All right, so what I'm gonna go ahead and do is go ahead and clean these countertops, guys. They feel really rough. See a lot of water deposits. Oh yeah, yeah, see like right here, see all that? See all that, guys? So yeah, we're gonna get these countertops. See a lot of residue on these countertops, a lot of residue. See all right there? See really close? Oh yeah. Oh, it's gonna come out really good. All right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and let Tavares clean the tack while I'm doing the countertops. Then we're gonna get the rad coat down. We're gonna add some nano wear to it. My client was telling me that he has 2 big dogs, the client that's moving in. So the rad coat, guys, best finish you can put on the floor, and also adding some of this nano wear. It's basically aluminum oxide nanoparticles that we add to the rad coat. All right, guys, beautiful day in the neighborhood. Stay tuned. those countertops, guys, you can just feel they are so smooth, man. Got a nice sealer on there. You can actually see the reflection from that light. You can see the reflection from the window. Man, that is beautiful. That is beautiful. Wow. Wow. All right. No, it's not leaving. Another thing too, guys, it's not leaving any scuff marks or fingerprints. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh, that's a beautiful quartz countertop. All right, guys, now it's time to get these floors coated. I'm gonna go knock out 2 consultations, grab us a little lunch. Stay tuned. Yep. Oh, I got it. All right, guys, looking good, looking good. Now remember, this is a satin finish. Any finish you put down, you don't have to also have, just trying to get nervous. Oh no, Courtney, you don't know for shiny. This is just because of the water. So we're basically looking at just the water inside the finish. But once it evaporates, you never have the sheen and just protection on the floor. All right, guys, I've got a few leads today. I'll put that lady call. Said she saw me on Instagram for a countertop. So she's going to send me some pictures of countertops. I had a repeat client that I did about 2 years ago. Did floors, and he also noticed on my Facebook page I did countertops. And I said, Courtney, floors still good. So we did 2 years ago. Now I need to come over and do countertops. So you see the pictures as well. All right, guys, stay tuned. Alright guys, just got back. Been about 3 hours. I did a consultation in Cummings, which was about 15 minutes from this house. They booked on the spot. Man, guys, he said he had 2 other companies come out, and he said, Courtney, your videos. Plus, he said he noticed on one of his my reviews, after reading my reviews, one of his friends had actually used me years back, and they said I did a phenomenal job on their wood floors. So he said that kind of sealed the deal. So they're going to also be doing 2 levels, screen recoat with UV cure, and also their countertops. Also went and did another in-home consultation. They didn't book it because they still closing on the house, but it's also going to be a screen and recoat with UV cure. So guys, look at these floors now. These floors came out amazing, man. That satin finish, nice and smooth. Wow. So I got the machine going. Look at that, guys. Wow, that looks so good, man. Oh, nice. Client's gonna love it. So I'm about to start UV curing. Oh, that's beautiful. Look at that. That is beautiful. That is beautiful, man. And actually, that actually looks a lot better. But he said they're gonna put a rug back there anyway. Also the countertops, nice and smooth. No smudges, no fingerprints. Got some good sealer on those countertops. Guys, this came out amazing. Amazing. So so now that gives us, I still got 5 in-home consultations this week, and I also have the job that I just booked for Saturday, so that gives us 4 more projects for the rest of this week. All right, guys, I'm going ahead and start UV curing. All right, stay tuned. All right, guys, that's gonna do it. Floors. Oh my God, look at these floors, guys. Beautiful. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh yeah. Beautiful. All right, guys. That's gonna do it. I am about to head into the office. I have a huge meeting tonight with some of my wood floor maintenance students who are going to be Truman affiliates. So basically, I am going to be having them piggyback off of my company name to help them get leads in their area. So I will be having students in other cities and other states, because I get so many calls on a weekly basis. I can't find anyone in this area. I can't find anyone in this area. And what I'm going to be doing is, like I said, having students in certain areas that can assist clients with their wood floor maintenance needs. All right, guys, that's going to do it. Countertops look amazing, nice and smooth. I wish Scott was going to come back, the new homeowner. So I'm gonna go ahead and call and get the payment. And tomorrow I have 3 in-home consultations, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.